Hey everybody, welcome to CryptoReality. This we advise and I'm not your financial advisor, and everything I'm gonna say here is based on the charts. So I'm not trying to create fear, uncertainty, and doubt here, not trying to tell you to buy or sell any cryptos in here. I just want you and I to be prepared for the next move. Now let's dive in. What's going on in the market? This is your XRP US dollar monthly time frame. I was just thinking that the bear market is coming and you must be prepared for everything that we're going to happen. Now take a look at this one. I want you to take a look at this one. Okay, this is your monthly time frame. Look at this. Look how similar this is. This is your monthly candle right now. We are here right now. Look at this candle here. Look at this candle here. Even though we are going to see some pumps here in the next couple of weeks, maybe we're gonna end up closing like this. Okay, it's still below your 2.17 US dollar. Okay, that's gonna be your example there. Look at your MACD here. Look at this. Okay, this is a perfect alignment for that. I hope you are with me right here. Okay, you see that one? Okay, here we are right now. Look at those MACD death cross and your green candle that is in the middle of your 20 EMA in a monthly time frame, and look where we are right now. So one last chance for me to take profit. I don't know what you're going to do, but this is just my insights. Okay, that I am waiting for this candle right here. You see this one? Yep, that candle. That's gonna be on your month of February. I don't know how high this will go, right? But I was just thinking that maybe bear market will continue, right? So if that thing happens, I'm expecting some pumps in here still. Okay, right here at your 2.30 area. Yep, 2.35 area in your month of February. Let's go on a weekly time frame here. Okay, look at this. We are holding the 100 EMA. Unlike this one, we broke it and reached this 200 EMA before the pump, right? But we seen this one. Okay, so I'm expecting, look at this selling pressure here, your weekly. Too much selling pressure here, that's why we're here, right? Your MACD kinda having some cross in a couple of days. I don't know if it next week we're gonna see some pump here. But going on in my drawings here, okay, I want you to look at this in a higher time frame, weekly time frame. This is a wedge pattern which tends us to break to your 2.4 area exactly. So we haven't reached this 2.4 this area right here. So I am just thinking that maybe we're gonna come back up right here and create some double top before the dump. Okay, then what's my technical analysis for this to happen is, of course, your US dollar dominance here. Okay, looking at this US dollar dominance, just like I'm saying, that maybe this one looks like a Bart Simpson head, right? This one looks like a Bart Simpson head. Look at your weekly chart here. Its MACD tend to close and have some dead cross here. So maybe I'm expecting US dollar dominance to cool down and come back down on this area to 5.274 before heading up to the upside. That's what I am thinking here personally. So if that happens, then I'm gonna expect another pump maybe one last pump for crypto before entering the bear market. So looking at the daily time frame here in your US dollar dominance, as you can see here, this one looks like, yeah, daily time frame tends to have some golden cross, so I'm expecting some ups here. Yep, like that before the dump. So what are we gonna create? Some Bart Simpson head, which tends us to go to the downside, like this one, or even lower before we head back up. Okay, that's just my idea here, because looking back in the past, we did the same, right? This one, some kind of Bart Simpson head, right? This one, or you can say this double, I don't know, if that's the double top, or I don't know. You see this one, maybe this is a fake out, eventually it goes up. So either way, if they're saying that this one is different, I don't think so, because the EMAs were aligning the same as the past, which tend us to go to the bear market. And let's just cut the hopes and just prepare for both sides, either go up or down. If you're holding, that's fine. If you're planning to exit, just exit some percentage of your bags so you can have your cash to rebuy back if things go wrong and the bear market comes, right? That's what I'm gonna do. So right now we are stopped below this 20 EMA. I hope we're going to be rejected there and continue to go down. Okay, but if there's a possible chance that some fake out here or some pumps here, right? Gonna pump here before we're gonna come back down, maybe in the next 2 weeks or before the end of the month. Take a look at this XRP, lower time frame, 1 hour time frame. Okay. Look at this, what I've drawn here. Let's focus on the charts first. This one looks like a continuation to the downside. After this massive pump here, you see this, we eventually come back down, right? And now we are in a support area. So we are now in the consolidation phase. So let's see if we're gonna go up or we're gonna go down, but the possible chance of going down is much more likely to happen. Just remember, trend is your friend. So we are in a downtrend momentum right now. So let's see what's gonna happen here. So if the target continues here, I'm expecting XRP to go down at least to 1.87, right? 1.87. And if things goes up, maybe we can see some pumps, maybe around still this 2.4 area, but I don't think it will be like this. Okay, maybe some kind of, or the nice case scenario here is that we go back here before we pump, right? That's what I'm thinking here. Okay, take a look at your Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin still trading inside this channel here. Okay, I guess this candle doesn't look good, and it has to go lower. Yeah, but if some miracle happen here, we go down here, so everyone's gonna be faked out, right? But eventually we're gonna come back out, just like we did here. But I don't think that's gonna happen. I don't think that's the play here. Everyone's still in hopes that we're going to go up and see new all-time highs, so I don't think that's gonna happen. Okay, let's just face the reality that we are going to the bear market, right? Because at the end of the day, at the end of the road, pattern still similar, huh? pattern still plays out the same. So in a lower time frame here, one other time frame here, look at this. I'm expecting Bitcoin to go down here again at your 88,000 before going up, right? And then when everyone is still in hope, because we are back in 100k region area, then it's gonna go down. Yeah, that's my idea here, so please prepare yourself. So please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for me if you learned something here. So another one is Sui. Yeah, I am taking a look at this one. Sui, this is your neckline here. So I'm expecting Sui to come back down in this 1.73 area before hitting this regions here. Okay, then your 200 EMA is like that. So there you go. That's for Sui. Mid-term, short term, I'm expecting first we are going to come back down to 1.7 area before hitting this 2.27 area. Okay, then let's see what's gonna happen there, because I'm still expecting Sui to go some nice pumps here, hitting this 3.27 before continuation to the bear market. I don't know if that's going to play, or we are going to consolidate much from here before the next bull run. Okay, so I hope I'm wrong. I'm bearish right now, super bearish right now, because looking at the EMAs here, all aligned just like the past, especially in a weekly and monthly time frame. Yeah, look at this. Your 20 EMA is sliding your 50 EMA while the price is trying to retest that. Look at this 22 of January. The 20 EMA is sliding your 50 EMA, and look, we are retesting those EMAs and playing out around to your 100 EMA, to your 20 and 50 EMAs before the continuation to the downside. And you look at your MACD, just like the same, we are below this area right here, trying to cross, coming back down. Okay, look at this, your MACD. We are trying to cross here, but maybe we're gonna lose this. Okay, especially looking at your stochastic RSI here, right? Just like what I'm saying in my past video. Look at this stochastic RSI below oversold territory. Okay, look at this. Look at this pump here. Here's your stochastic RSI still in an oversold territory, and then after hitting the overbought territory, it's the last pump, and you're gonna see is a major bear market. So I'm expecting some stochastic RSI coming back up here. Okay, if stochastic coming back up here, then the price could go up here. I don't know how high it will, but definitely if I see this, if I see this one, maybe I'm gonna take some profits and I'm gonna sell some of my bags, so just in case we continue to the downside, I have some cash to rebuy back in. So yeah, that's my idea here. So don't just listen to me, don't listen to others. Plan your trades, stay healthy, stay strong, stay focused. Put the money that you can afford to lose, because anything can happen here. It can go up, it can go down. All I want to show you is the possibility on how it will happen. So thank you, God bless.